Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Easy AI Hacks, where we break down complex AI tools into something you can actually use. And today, we're doing just that with ChatGPT. We've got 10 powerful prompts specifically designed to help you kickstart your very own business. That's right, whether you're a tech whiz, a creative genius, or just starting out, these prompts will help you tap into that entrepreneurial spirit. We're talking everything from identifying your strengths and aligning with your resources to crafting that killer business plan and even scaling up once you're off the ground. This isn't just some surface-level advice either. We're going deep, uncovering the strategies that'll give you a real edge. So, stick around till the end, because I'm also going to show you how to use AI to not just start, but to manage and grow your business the smart way. You don't want to miss this. Alright, so you're thinking about starting a business? That's awesome. But before you dive into anything, let's talk about you. See, the strongest businesses, they're built on passion. That's why this first prompt is all about uncovering what you're naturally good at and, more importantly, what you actually enjoy doing. Because let's be real, grinding away on something you hate just isn't sustainable in the long run. So, for this first ChatGPT prompt, type in, "I want to start a business that aligns with my skills and interests. What are some business ideas based on my strengths?" and insert your top 3 skills, passions. Don't be shy, be specific. Love photography? Great. Got a knack for coding? Awesome. ChatGPT will take those passions and generate a bunch of potential business avenues you might not have even considered. Okay, so you've got some killer business ideas brewing. But hold up, let's talk about budget. Now, I know funding can sound intimidating, but this isn't about needing thousands of dollars up front. The beauty of this next prompt is that it helps you work with what you've got right now. Maybe you've got some savings, maybe it's access to specific tools, or even just your time and network. Whatever it is, ChatGPT can help you leverage it. Here's the prompt. Given my current financial situation, which includes list your available capital, resources, or assets, what are some realistic business ideas I can start with minimal investment? ChatGPT will analyze your situation and suggest businesses that fit your budget, minimizing risk and maximizing your chances of success. Remember, starting small doesn't mean thinking small. It's about building a solid foundation. Now let's talk location. Where you are plays a huge role in what kind of business will thrive. This prompt taps into that, helping you identify opportunities specific to your area, whether it's a bustling city or a quiet town. Here's the prompt. I live in your city/town/region. What are some untapped business opportunities or underserved needs in this area? ChatGPT will act like your personal market researcher, analyzing local trends and demographics to pinpoint potential gaps you can fill. Maybe there's a demand for artisanal coffee in your neighborhood or a lack of reliable dog walkers. You never know what gold mines you might uncover. And hey, if you're thinking globally, that's cool too. Just replace your location with your target market or industry. Listen, in the crowded marketplace of today, standing out is key. That's where finding your niche comes in. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, this prompt helps you laser focus on a specific audience and become the go-to solution for their unique needs. Here's the prompt. Help me identify a profitable niche within your chosen industry or market. What are some underserved segments or emerging trends I can capitalize on? ChatGPT will act as your business strategist, analyzing market data and trends to pinpoint specific customer groups who are actively seeking solutions like yours. This focused approach not only reduces competition, but also allows you to tailor your offerings and messaging, making your marketing way more effective. Okay, so you've got your idea, you've found your niche. Now it's time to get serious with a business plan. But don't worry, this isn't about writing a novel. This prompt helps you create a clear, concise roadmap without the headache. Here's the prompt. Generate a basic business plan for your business idea, including a mission statement, target audience, value proposition, marketing strategy, and financial projections. ChatGPT will become your personal business consultant, outlining the essentials you need to get started. Think of it as the blueprint for your business, helping you stay organized, focused, and on track to achieve your goals. Now, before you launch headfirst, let's take a moment to learn from the best, and maybe not so best in the game. This prompt is all about understanding your competition and the overall market landscape. Here it is. Analyze the current market for your industry niche. Who are the key players? What are their strengths and weaknesses? And what are some potential challenges or opportunities? ChatGPT will act like your market intelligence officer, providing valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and where the opportunities lie. This knowledge is power, allowing you to adapt your strategies, differentiate your offerings, and ultimately position yourself for success. All right, you've got a solid plan, you understand the market, now it's time to get the word out there. This prompt helps you craft a marketing strategy that actually works, without the guesswork. Here's the prompt. Suggest effective marketing strategies for my business, your business name or idea, targeting your target audience. Consider both online and offline channels. ChatGPT will become your marketing guru, generating tailored strategies based on your target audience and budget. From social media campaigns to content marketing and even traditional advertising, you'll get a comprehensive plan to reach the right customers at the right time. Congratulations, you're officially in business. But here's the thing, starting is only half the battle. This next prompt helps you transition from founder to CEO, giving you the tools to manage and grow your business effectively. Here's the prompt. What are some key performance indicators, KPIs, I should track to measure the success of my business? How can I use data to make informed decisions and optimize my operations? ChatGPT will transform into your business advisor, providing insights into the metrics that matter most. From website traffic and customer acquisition costs to conversion rates and customer lifetime value, you'll learn how to use data to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make smarter decisions for sustainable growth. Running a business can feel like juggling a million things at once, right? Well, this prompt is all about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging the power of automation to free up your time and focus on what really matters. Here's the prompt. What are some tasks or processes in my business, your business name, idea, that I can automate using AI tools or software? Suggest specific tools and their benefits. ChatGPT will become your efficiency expert, identifying repetitive tasks that can be streamlined with AI. From email marketing and social media scheduling to customer support and even accounting, you'll discover a world of tools designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. Alright, so your business is booming, that's incredible. But what's next? This final prompt is about thinking big picture and planning for the future. It's about scaling up strategically and taking your business to the next level. Here's the prompt. My business is growing rapidly. What are some strategies for scaling up operations, expanding my customer base, and managing the challenges of growth? ChatGPT will become your growth strategist, offering insights into hiring the right team, securing funding, optimizing your infrastructure, and navigating the complexities of a larger organization. It's about building a business that's not only successful, but also built to last. And there you have it, 10 ChatGPT prompts that can take you from zero to running your own business. Remember, the beauty of AI is that it's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the person wielding it. So take these prompts, experiment, iterate, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make them your own. Your business journey is unique, and these prompts are just the starting point. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Easy AI Hacks for more AI-powered tips and tricks. And hey, if you have any questions or want to see a deep dive into how to actually use these prompts, drop a comment below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comment box below for these life-changing prompts. I'll catch you in the next